All right, today we're gonna bring a pool fountain, and check this out. I'm gonna add this on. That's why it's a little wet. This part goes in, and then the rest of it is just simple. Just follow the instructions and put it together. Now this whole thing has a lot of additional stuff. Like for example, it has all these washers that you got to remember to that they has them, so it won't leak out anywhere and it's straight up. Now the system, we're gonna put it right now together. See if you guys can see it. Put it together. This is the main part right here, and make sure that you have washers in here to twist it. All right. And you twist this top only, this part right here, and this is adjustable. All right, make sure you adjust it to where you want the water to go. Look at that. So the grease is in there. Let's test it out right now too. These go in here, but this goes in here. We could also add more grease in here, but we're gonna test it out as it is. I just make the main one joint. All right, if you guys can see, there's a little valve in here, and this is actually to, you spin it out in case there's too much pressure on it. So right now we're gonna leave it as is like that, and we're gonna try to open it up on the actual fly. So we're gonna go ahead and use this up right now and see how it works. So I have an attachment that just automatically attaches to this thing. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. Okay, close it up. Wow. All right, there's a valve in here in the bottom of it. All right, if you want to close it, look at the pressures on the bottom. Right, if you want to close it, and look at this. But when you do that, this thing pressures up really high, so I don't want to do that too much. That's perfect. That's what we want it. Just a regular water fountain like that, and all the pressure is going to the bottom, keeping everything flowing. If you guys are looking for something like this, you can control the pressure. Hope you guys enjoy the video.